Hey, it's Steve here. We're at my place here in Mangere, and I just thought I'd do a bit of a demonstration on the plastic welding. So I did a little bit along here before, and I just wanted to thought I'd try and set up a demonstration just to show the speed welder how it works, you know. So as most of you probably already know, I made this speed welder nozzle. It was actually designed and developed here in New Zealand. I carved it out of wax on my brother's birthday, 50th birthday. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you how it works. I've actually got it on this Bosch heat gun, and it's set up at 380 degrees, so it's, the plastic's melting at about 200 degrees, but it's better to have a bit more. So you've got that slot there that preheats it, and then right at the end there you've got the cutting blade, and up there where the heat's coming out, that's where you use to cut the rod at the end of it. And this end of it here is where you do the ironing of the plastic as well with that piece. So in the end here you got the hole, that's where your rod's going in. Got another couple of tools here, which is your scraper. It's like a triangle scraper, and then your rod, you know. So anyway, I'm going to put the camera down where I plan to put it, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So it's already preheated, so that's the main thing, get it preheated. Heat up the rod a little bit. Come in here. Once it starts sticking, it's got to stick. And once it's sticking, then you got to start, you put your iron pressure on, and then you should be able to let the rod go, and it'll self-feed as you go, you know. So now the rod's going in, and you've got to keep the pressure on. It just goes slow enough so the glassy plastic forms under between the two of them, you know. So when you get to the end, you're going to want to chop it off. So that's where the sharp side of the thing comes in. You turn it around, you just use that sharp edge just to lob it off like that. Then you give that a bit of a tidy up with your iron, you know. Yep, so that's basically it. I went from there to there so quick, it's just like siliconing really, you know, but it's a couple of little techniques just to get it right. But yeah, I'll take you up to have a look at that now. So that's where we just went down here, down this one. So it was a little bit rough, but it just shows you the speed of what you're doing there. Yeah, so that's basically it, the speed welder. The only other recommendation I can do is to make sure that you turn your heat gun down like that. Set it up like this while it's cooling down, and then that will save your heat gun from cooking itself. You lie it down and turn it off, you know. So anyway, that was a bit of plastic welding for you. Hope your day's going good. Yes, I've just been working on this boat here, doing the aluminium front on it. Yeah, so I'm doing the winch and the aluminium double fold out gate on the thing, you know. I'm just putting a roller up the top there, sort of roller for the winch rope. Got the seats in the middle now as well, 2 seats. So the next thing is the jet unit. We're going to be doing a bit of a skeg in the middle for the jet unit. This is supposed to be gone in a couple of weeks, so I've got to get me A into G on this one. Alright, that was the first decent little demonstration of the Speed Welder, made by Weld NZ in New Zealand. tried and proven on the old seahull boats. Anyway, all the best for the New Year's, everyone, and we'll catch you again but later on. Over and out from the Sned shed.